just a couple other random things I noticed here. So two instances here where I was asking myself, it seemed like Royce is almost sitting on Reggie Jackson's left hand, which I found odd because Reggie prefers to go right on these, but it almost seems like it catches Royce by surprise here and gets beat to the right, makes a tough shot over Rudy helping. I mean, if he's going to make that all the time, he's going to be an all-star, but he made it here in a key moment. Again, Royce is there, probably our best perimeter defender in this scenario on Reggie Jackson, but again, kind of almost seems like he's sitting on his left shoulder, gets beat to the right, and makes another tough shot over Rudy. That he made both of those in the same game is crazy, but I feel like probably could have prevented him from getting to his right so quickly and so easily. And then just two, these are real nitpicky examples, which probably aren't fair expectations of players in real time, but just some clock awareness here. This possession starts getting pretty late in the shot clock, and what it leads to is Patrick Beverley gets the ball here on the wing. Now, if there's 15 seconds on the shot clock, I think Bogdanovic is defending it perfectly. We're pretty happy to give up a Patrick Beverley, deep wing three rather than a corner three. But there's only 6 seconds on the shot clock, so this seems like a better time to really press up tight on him, make Beverley put the ball on the floor, which is not his strength, and they're probably going to have a hard time getting any shot off at all with the time. But here, there's just enough room, maybe 3 feet, for Patrick Beverley to be able to rise up. Again, a low percentage shot, I think we'll take it, but in this case, he hits it, so slightly better clock awareness there. Step up on him with that little time, make Reggie drive. Similar situation here, we get really deep into the shot clock. By the time Patrick Beverley gets the ball in the corner here, only 2.4 seconds. I know Rudy's instinct is to break down, get ready to defend the drive, especially when it's Patrick Beverley, not someone we're super scared of shooting, but there's only 2.5 seconds. If Rudy closes out hard here, jumps past him, forces him to bring it down and drive, going to be a shot clock violation. Again, that's not fair in real time to ask somebody to make this decision in, tenths or hundredths of a second. But, if my job here is to give analysis to the coaching staff, that's two incidents is at the end of the game where, probably knowing the shot clock, got to play that a little differently, a little tighter, to try to force them to then have to make a move with, 3, 4, 5 seconds, or in that last case, maybe just 2 seconds, and maybe we get a 24-second shot clock violation instead of a 3, and if we just get a couple of these things bouncing our way, different game, and, we're going to game 7. Again, not trying to criticize, I'm sure all these things are already aware and already brought up, and, asking these players to make these perfect decisions in these 10th split-second decision times isn't fair, but just trying to do what I can here to provide useful analysis.